Hello, guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the Healthy Foodies channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this easy peasy shawarma bread. You just need only 3 ingredients, and that's it. It's very stretchy. You can wrap this around anything you want. Alright, let's get right into making it. First of all, you need 2 cups of flour, multi-purpose flour, then half a tablespoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. You just mix that thoroughly to combine and dig a hole so that you can easily mix the water into the flour, and mix until there are no lumps in your flour mix. Okay, this bowl was quite small. You can use a larger bowl so that you have more freedom while you're mixing. All right, and you just mix that until there are no lumps. As you can see, my batter is ready and it is super smooth. You want this consistency. Okay, notice that I added the water intermittently in bits. Okay, that's what you want to do. You don't want to pour your 2.5 cups of water into the mix all at once. All right, and then you go ahead to grease your pan, and because the pan is hot, I did not want to use a spoon to spread this batter around, so just turn off the heat and repeat it as you see me do here. Pour the batter in bits and try to form a round, almost perfect circle with the batter. Okay, and then turn the heat back on and begin cooking. Once you see these white patches disappearing, it means that the dough has cooked on the other side, like cooked enough for you to be able to flip it around. So you go ahead and flip that around and gently press down the sides. As you cook this, it is going to bring out bubbles. You want to press down those bubbles to ensure that both the up and the downside of this bread cooks thoroughly. Okay, so press down those batches and don't forget the sides, guys. Try as much as possible to spread it out with your spatula or whatever it is you are using to press this down. Okay, then you can flip it. You just intermittently flip it, press it, flip it, press it. I use this dough to make this delicious egg dish. If you want to see it, I'll drop the link in the description box below. You can watch it immediately after this one. So once it starts to bubble like this in the middle, like you're halfway through, and you just keep pressing it down, stirring it, turning it, tossing it, flipping it until you get very nice brown shawarma bread, just as you can see me do here in the video. Okay, so just keep pressing, keep turning, keep busting the bubbles if you know what I mean, and pressing down on the sides. If you do not press down on the sides, it will not spread evenly. To start to what's this word, the edges will start to fold. You can see it on some sides of the bread already. I don't know the English. If you know the English, please help me out. Help a sister. Thank you very much. So you just keep doing that, and before you know it, this is done. This was the last batch I did, and you can see it with the other ones. This bread is like, you can enjoy it with anything. Okay, I'll use this bread to make shawarma one of these days and show it to you guys. It holds, it works as fine as store-bought shawarma bread. Okay, once it starts to bubble at the center, you will see it raising its shoulders and puffing up. Then you know that it is ready. Can you even see the bright brown and how glowing and shiny this bread is right now? It is, don't worry, it will start to raise its shoulders now. It will start to be pompous. And that's when you know that it is done. Okay, as you can see. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not. I am here for healthy recipes and healthy tips and tricks to keep you eating healthy and staying jiggy. Okay, do not forget to nourish, flourish and glow, as that is what the Healthy Foodies is all about. Don't forget to watch the other video where I use this bread to make something super yummy, delicious and healthy, of course. And I'll see you next time. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching up to this point. You are the real MVP. Bye.